It's not the size of the mountain. You're just lacking the courage to climb. Vusithembekwayo once said. Lokusho ngona ke mbukele kwakuthi uma kunesimo noma ke info lo yendako wena lothwena hayi lemfo lena ayiphumelele. Akusinjalo. Kuthweni yesaba lo ukuthi labanye bamfu bayibone bakhona appreciate ukuthi yathi lo msebenzi wakho lo wendako ungusibili. Utokhona ukuthi nawe utoba proud. Phinze ugene nayo i-confidence. Mbukele Tandla Nenkhondlo sihambile ke saya khona KaLamdladla High School lapho sifole khona boSonkhondlo. Nangithi boSonkhondlo utatibuto time man. Sebacala njani kuyakubuka KaLamdladla High sebacala kushuthi abothisha no. We got bampa beskola labenda yona ipoetry. Laba proud futhi ke msebenzi wawo. Utawumangala mbukele ukuthi hayi bona lo mncane kangaka but they are doing the most. Mbukele sibafolile ke ngusiphesihle naye bandile. They are doing something mbukele lo tawuthi now hlethi nganinyelanga uthi man. Yathi na fortunate wami angayikhona lemfo labantwana laba endako. They have joined ke mbukele i-English club khona esikoleni lokuyi club lenda ukuthi banifana bakhona ukuthi vet abangibo bagene ne-confidence. Hayi ukuthi umfana wona so that hayi sisi lo wami unemahloni. No, ukuthi umfana lo nemahloni. They just lack lokho ukuthi babona bakhona ukuthi bonakalisa babone nangilabanye. Mbukele Tandla Nenkhondlo asikulayele lokho lesifike sakhanza khona KaLamdladla High.
You know, in life, we never walk our path as we wish, but consequences compel us otherwise. Lack of communication, passion and dedication have led me to this conversation. My name is Ginizas Pesil. Here is my poem for today, titled Self-Introspection. The generosity of a Hirat lies in the truths the soul make with the brain. For the conscience of men have been evicted from the body and brought down into ashes by the hunger of recognition. We have turned into a sad generation of happy pictures and sweet snaps, forgetting our cause and our goals, consumed by the hunger of conforming to the lifestyle of our peers. Like a stray dog, we have learned to eat in every trash and fill our minds with garbage. The time has come for one to change, to fight for his own identity, accept and embrace our divergence, understand and apprehend of our true self, for the most time of self-hate shall come into a deep heart. Gama lami nguSiphesihle wakaGininza. Who is doing from 4 ngeminyaka lengu-16 ngikhulele khona la kaPhumi.
Okay. Ngivile ukuthi bothisha bakho bathi uyipoet. Usho ngani ukuthi uyipoet?
Most times ngimi lo bhala emapoem la esikoleni then I recite them ka-assignment.
Okay. Utibhalela wena noma ubhalela nalabanye bese siba recite?
Ngena ngithu like sometimes ngiyabhalela bese ngiya-recite mina then lamanye ngwabhale bese ngiwanika lamanye bawa-recite wona ka-assignment.
Okay. Utiva njani nje being a well-known poet esikoleni?
Eish. Yeah, kumnanzi ngitiva ngisesikhundleni nami lesi.
Okay, ufise utibona ukuphi njenge poetry yakho?
Ngibona on big events. Yes, ngisho ema poems like my poem.
Sabuka ukuthi lokho kungaba ngelenye indlela lengabasita labantwana ukuthi bakhona ukuthi ba ivulele amathuba ekuthola umsebenzi ngoba uma uwenda lokhu ukwenda emsakatweni and baningi abantu nenhlangano lokhanza ukuthi yakhona kubona lelo talenta lakho lengalenye ilanga lomntwana lingamsita ukuthi mhlawumbe athuka uthola umsebenzi ngalo limsitana la ku CV yakhe lo mntwana aka-apply imisebenzi lokunye bekwaba ngolo ukuthi vele la etikolweni kufundwa tifundo letibita ukuthi umntwana akhone letibita ukuthi akhone ukuthi express so le poetry iyasita la ku expression la naka emsebenzini wakhe nakuletinye nje tifundo mhlawumbe letingahlangana nalo kulosenza ukusho.
Ngaqala e-primary grade 7 like okay ngasho ipoem minye then nangifika la e-high school ngakhanza ngine-English club nangifika khona ngazama i-poetry ngathi ngifita.
Okay, so since uthi uka-English club ubhala i-poetry yakho ngesingisi?
Yes.
Okay, so kilo yini wazama kubhala ngeSiswati?
Ngiyazama but ngiyangihlula lapha nalapha.
Yini le hlulako? Stay khona ukuthi siyilungise.
Angikhona like okay ngiyabhala but nasengimele ngisho ish ibe sengishabe sekubangazuthi ngikhuluma ngalesingisi. Ngiyaphica kahle kahle.
Okay, thanks. I'm Mrs. Njangase Nidlamini. I work here at KaLamdladla High School, doing English literature and language, and also history. The school offers English literature. Is a side that I do English literature. We have literature from Form 1 to Form 3. But unfortunately, we don't have it in the higher grades. So we just introduce them to literature in Form 1 because it's a new subject to them. And most of them, they fall in love with literature. And then they start doing these things such that even if they are in Form 4, they'll be continuing with the poems, although literature is no longer offered in the high school. So that is where you find out that they have fallen in love with this subject.
Love all and forgive all. No matter how many times the teeth bites the tongue, but they all still stay together in one mouth. Even though eyes don't see each other, but they cry together, blink together, and see things together. Please, let us try the spirit of forgiveness and togetherness. Cause alone I can smile, but together we can laugh. Alone I can enjoy, but together we can celebrate. Again, please let us try the spirit of forgiveness and togetherness. Don't be that bogus friend pretending to love someone in your sight, yet gesturing behind their backs. My point is, never look down on others unless you are admiring their shoes. Bengivele shy. Even after sengijoyinile ngaba shy, and even after my first presentation being like
okay,
then lokho sithunga ngajwayela.
Then what changed? Ngoba sengibona mina ngibona siphelo ne-confidence. What improved your confidence?
Okay, there's someone I'm looking up to, like Moses. Every time nakangifundzela ipoem yakhe ngibe like ngifuna kuba njengaye. So bengithi ngifika le ngembili ngifika ngitshela ukuthi no, I can't be Moses Lamini, so yeah.
Okay, so ngekubuka kwakho i-poetry iletha kanjani ishintsho yobumuntu nje?
Okay, ka-poetry you're able to express your feelings. It's more like okay, asengithi une-stress like now ubhala lapha phasi, the more you write the more uba like uvangazuthi kunemthwalo losukako lako. Yes, and nesidunge ke lapha nalapha siyaphela.
Okay, so bayati nekhaya ukuthi uNenkhondlo?
Yeah, bayati, and they are very encouraging and supportive.
Especially ngimtukulu wami udala intombi yakami ekucala akasiyo umthwalo libele uhlakaniphe kakhulu Uhlaliphe kangangube akasabi ukuthi ufuna ini egogo sekukanjena uyathanza nje ukudlala nathi. Lesinye isikhathi angibidela ke igama makabuya esikoleni uyangibambaza uyangibingelela athi unjani ephindile ngigaba labi ke bese ngizayi wena mana bophakela odle yabo bese uyaphakela so longade angathi ngimfana nami kanti akusuye Thumbu umntukulu lo sidimisele ukuthi simkhulise kuze kufike la yena atawujabula khona ukuthi cha lefundo lena sayikahle nathi sitawuzama ngoba phela kuyalinywa nabo bhatata nokasinga lutho konja ke sitawulima chubeke afunze.
My friends, they are so very supportive. But lesinye isikhathi ngihle ngithi ngiyabafundela abe like always like poetry then abe bored iphinde yabo.
Tandla mina currently doing Form 3. Specialist friend. Like she is creative, that's one. I think she can be the best poet ever. Not as a friend, but as the kind of a person she is. I mean, she's bubbly, after all.
Bothishela wendekani noma bothishela gcina nje lo waka English club ngavile yina ngimele ukuthi akusupport njengemfana lo iproduct yakhe.
No, like okay, no English club yangisupporta nebala skole nje bonke bayangisupporta. Now and then bahle bathi angibhale like bawubeka notice board to show my work.
If one joins for poetry instead of debate, it means that she feels more comfortable with poems as compared to debates or spelling bees and writings. Yes, so if you go there, you find people who are well versed in that. They nurture you, they help you in every step that you take until you can write your own poem. I think that is enough support for them.
Ngikhuthata lo ukuthi noma ngabe sekuthiwa lo mfana akanabanje njengalona nje wethu namkhulu abamgcine lo mfana bamnakelele bamendele konke lebafise ukuthi labakhona kumendela kona ngoba phela ngeke uzwe umebela vele abamkhulise ngiyathi ukuthi akusilula ukukhulisa umntwana nalona nje bengasilula kimi kube mkhulu akabanga nethando naye lo mfana ngaba vela ngikhonanga nami ngoba lesinye isikhathi ugcina somfaka enakhulumeni kanzi manise khona gogo namkhulu akhona usebesebenda mkhulu nagogo lo mfana loyo akudzingekile ukuthi uyomfaka eTanzania uyabona kanzi lo mfana nini nisakhona phela akasinzanzana especially umthumbu wethu yabona.
Bandizemdluli is here to say this poem for you today. My mom always tell me that don't believe, but like a honeybee that is always busy with something. But why can't she see that I'm always busy with something? Why can't she realize that I'm doing a lot of on my dreams? We are friends. If you cry, I cry. Gama lami ngibandise ngwakamdluli sibongo. Ngifunda KaLamdladla high school. Na 14 eminyaka. Enda Form 1.
Okay. Bandise ungisonkhondlo. Ngisho ngani ungisonkhondlo bandise?
Ngisho uma ngisho ukuthi ngibhala poem.
Okay.
Benze ama recite.
Uqale nini ngibhala poems?
Ngicala lokunyala ungena la esikolweni la Form 1.
Okay. Yini le yakumotivate ukuthi uqale ipoetry?
Ngakhanza kuna English club la esikolweni. Ngabe senza ngcono ngijoin ngilawubona ukuthi kuyini.
Okay.
Ngakhanza ke ukuthi kwendiwe ama poem, ma rap, hayi ngabe ngena ngi poem. Ngakhanza ukuthi hayi ngcono ngiyakhona kwenda.
Okay. So nako ke songenile ka English club uyayicala ipoetry yakho. Lokubhalile kwekucala nje kwabonwa ngibani kwa approve ngibani?
Kwabona Mr S Dlamini.
Okay.
Ngithisha khona la esikolweni. Washo ukuthi akungcono ungakhona kwenda lokungcono ngalokho.
Ungaba ngiko nje kuba ngiko nje ukuthi umntali vitelo likhono lengetekile lelitholakele ngale poetry. Bese ke lokho kwendalo silomntali sibe nakumkhutsata lokuthi akamnakekele lo mntwana kude kuthi leli khono lanalo leli art lokuthi likhono le mhlambe labanye abantwana laba bengafisa kuba nalo but abanalo lona ngalothi unalo unenhlanhla. So zama ukuthi ke batali basite ukuthi mhlambe kuloko banakekele nabo labantwana babakhuthate futhi ukhanze ukuthi lamangweni kunemicimbi labantwana bayadzinga ukuthi lolu khono lenjengaleli ba livete noma ba expose. So le micimbi leba lemangweni lapho kunalabatali khona iyasita la kubantwana labana lekhono lenjengaleli ngoba lo mntwana akusho kumenda ukuthi angagcina adiwa la sikoleni kuphela kepha nalemangweni nakasuka emangweni utawugcina adiwa live nemhlaba wonke.
Okay, nginakuseke so excited for your first time. Wafisa yini kuphinde uchubeke noma wathi hayi awona mina thishela nyalo ngingabobhala kuphela le mfike ukuthi ngiyarecite hayi
ngafisa ngoba ngabona ngathi kutangisa phambili lento lama poem
Okay, so ekhaya ba-aware yini ukuthi ibandise uNkondlo noma uthi hayi no umshikashika wami ngokuphisha esikolweni lona ekhaya ngabatshelelani
bayade uncane wami lo encourage ngokuthi ke incwadi tabe sotibona nini.
Okay,
ngoba uncane hayi nakade lesinye isikhathi asibengala lesinye lesibengala incwadini.
Okay, nasobhalile uyayumrecitele yincane noma nane uva nje sekeva ngebamfu basesikoleni ukuthi hayi no bandise walakhaya le celebrity.
Hayi ngiyamrecitela athi khona kungilungisisa ukuthi hayi lungisa la.
If one joins for poetry instead of debate, it means that she feels more comfortable with poems as compared to debates or spelling bees and writings. Yes, so if you go there, you find people who are well versed in that. They nurture you, they help you in every step that you take until you can write your own poem. I think that is enough support for them.
KaLamdladla is here to say this poem for you. Broken heart. It's hard. Why do you care? You've broke it. It won't repair. I love you from so long. It's hard to bear this one-sided part that you have never shared with me. This attitude of yours have left me alone. You are most alive when in love. Thank you.
Ngisanele Sohlanzi ngihlala khona kaPhunga ngimngane wabandisa eMdluli. Ngifundza form 4 la KaLamdladla. Ngibonga umuntu layifanele ipoet because uyayikhona. Futhi uyadethemba. Kungukuthi ayikele kufihla uma wabhala emapoem because uyabhala na but ukuthi bese akasawavethe.
Yini longayisho kubalingani bakho labakubukele njengamanje labafisile kuba boSonkondlo but babathathe hey ngidoubt ngiyakumisa bani ngiyamtshela avela athi hayi ngeke
akumela emntwini lomdzala wala esikolweni njengoba ka form 5 nabe khona le English club la esikolweni ayikhona afika asho ukuthi athi ngifuna kuba ngiSonkondlo ngente njani mhlambe angamtshela yena but ngingamtshela ukuthi akatimisele.
Okay, now kusotimisele wakwenda lokho wahamba amtshela ukuthi yathi mina ngiSonkondlo now ngenyase sekumela yo reciter yini longamtshela kona ukuthi longamchushisa kiko ukuthi akwende as a poet le yo reciter for the first time.
Ungabanaki labantu ungabi nalivalo labantu DJ uthi angifuna kubalaya ngifuna kubalaya mina.
Okay,
yatshela kanjalo ngoba ngelapho kude livalo lo taliva nabatshozayo ngifuna kubalaya.
Ngoba bakhutsata nje balingane abatali nelivelonke ukuthi imfundo nendlela ekufundwa ngayo vele seyiyaguquguquka. Sekubonakele ukuthi labanye abantwana bane siphiwo lesi mhlambe lesingakadindi kakhulu etincwadini nasekufundzeni kepha nje sikulokuni. Kungaba ngonje ukuthi vele sitikolo nemango nebatali emangweni abantwana sizame lokuthi leli talenta labo libonakala likhona sizame lokuliveta and basito ukuthi labantwana abalidevelope leli talenta singabacinzeteli ekutheni bebantwana laba ndathi ifundo letabenda abaphase nalawo malengiso kepha nje uma sekubonakala ukuthi umntwana unelikhono lelinye lelingetulu noma ke leliseceleni kwaloko lokwentiwa etincwadzini uvele kuyabita ukuthi sitikolo nabatali nemango sikhutsate lokho kakhulu kuze labantwana bakhona ukuthi batiqashe noma ke nabe baqasha abantu benenhlanhla baqashwe kepha nje lokukhulu kakhulu ukuthi kuningi labangakwenda ngalamakhono labanabo bona lethi nemhlambe ebesolo singakakhona ukuthi siwavele.
You have to fake it until you make it. Bafetile mbukeli boSonkhondlo bami bangicicitela ke nabo ukuthi you know what fortunate so bayenge kakhulu Nkosi yami lababukeli wena uphokubhala ubeke endlini azobhale ngalinye ilanga ubathi nje ubabhaze nga 2 stanzas ngoba ngeke kulunge mbukeli nasengisho yonke lenkondlo. I just need to say few stanzas. Mbukeli nawe wena losolubekile lamamethi akho lawa uthi wena hayi lamamethi mina likhona nje ngafundziswa ngogo hawo kusho bani so ke leni washekisa labanye babona umsebenzi wakho bawuthanda. Mbukeli sitabona neviki lelitako ngaso isikhathi esifanako. Goodbye and God bless.